Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to add decorative border to image in Word. Let's get started. If you want to add decorative border to image, you have to download border from Google. Now open a browser and go to the google.com and type the decorative border PNG and hit the enter and download your desired border. Now go to the Microsoft Word, insert the border and picture, wrap the image, select the image, go to format menu and wrap text in front of text. Now adjust the image into the border. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for